Welcome to WCB-Alberta's Policies and Information Manual. With a few quick tips, our online policies are easy to read, navigate, and understand. On the left-hand side, our site map takes you directly to the policy you're looking for. If you know the policy number, you can head right there to find what you need. If you don't know the policy number or can't find what you need in the manual, you can search for current information in two ways. The search bar up top will only search our current policies. It will not return search results for archived policies or policy consultation documents. To search current policies in another way, open a copy of the Complete Policy Manual PDF file and use your computer's Find function to search for your keywords within the document. The Find function's shortcuts are Control-F on a PC or Command-F on a Mac keyboard. We update the manual frequently, so don't worry about saving a copy of the PDF file. Just head to our website and you'll always see the most recent version. Now, let's go back and look at a policy that contains updates. Let's pick our Cost of Living Adjustments Policy 0401, Part 2, Application 4. All of our policies are laid out in a similar way, using a simple question and answer format. On the left-hand side, you'll notice some information is shaded in gray. This shading means we made a change to that section when the policy or application was last published. To view previous versions of the policy, scroll to the bottom of the document to see our archive list of previous versions. When we update a policy, we document all changes in an accompanying summary. To find a summary of those changes, first identify the issue date of the current policy, found at the bottom of the page. Now, let's head back to the Online Policies and Information Manual site and check out the history of policy changes found at the top of the left-hand menu. This page shows you the full list of changes for the most recent updates made to the manual. If the dates match, this is the place for you. If you're looking for a change made on a different date, the Policy Change Archive is your next stop. You'll find this at the bottom of the page. The issue date you're looking for can be found on this page. The update, also known as a transmittal, will explain the changes. Need a policy refresh? When in doubt, check out the manual's how-to guide, located on the main page for more tips and tricks. And that's all there is to it. Our Policies and Information Manual is easy for anyone to use. By sharing the policies we use to make decisions, we're creating a transparent system that works for everyone. WCB, we're here to help.